lobster tails. This is a very quick and easy recipe and it's gonna blow your mind. Please get your gloves on. And get yourself some kitchen shears. We're just gonna trim the shell all the way until the end. Okay. And now we're gonna be very gentle and we're gonna fold the shell open. Try not to break it. Try to be very gentle because we really want to have a very nice presentation, okay? Just like that. Okay, now that I have all the meat separated from the shell, I'm just gonna start seasoning before I put it back in there. Just a little bit of salt, both sides. Some pepper. And it goes back in there. Now I have my melted butter here and we're just gonna add a few ingredients. Just 2 cloves of garlic, 1, and 2. It smells good already. Then paprika, just for color. You can also add Old Bay seasoning. I just don't like it too much, but you certainly can. A little bit of salt because this already has salt. I'm just adding a little bit because my butter is unsalted. And just a little squeeze of lemon or lime juice. Okay, I'm using lime, so you use just a little bit less, like if it was lemon. Just like so. Mix it well. And I'm going to use this butter mixture to pour it over my lobster tail meat, okay? And this is ready to go to the oven. Check that out! They're ready! The meat is no longer translucent, it's all nice and white and they're very juicy. I'm gonna try a little bit. And always have extra butter for dipping. You're gonna love this recipe. Please, please, please don't forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I'll see you next time.